In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove a member from a Trello board step by step. Whether you're managing a team project, cleaning up old collaborators, or adjusting access permissions, knowing how to properly remove someone from your Trello board is essential for keeping your workspace organized and secure. I'll walk you through the entire process so you can do it quickly and confidently. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Trello tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Trello.com. Log into your account if you're not already signed in. Make sure you're using the account that has admin access or the necessary permissions to manage members on the board. If you're not a board admin, you may not see the option to remove someone. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Trello homepage where you can see your recent boards. Click on the board that you want to update. This should be the board where the member currently has access and the one you want to remove them from. After the board opens, look toward the top area of the screen. You'll see a Share button. Click on the Share button. When you click it, a panel will open showing a list of all the members who currently have access to this board. This list includes admins, normal members, and possibly observers depending on your board settings. Now, carefully review the list and find the member you want to remove. Once you've located their name, click directly on that member. This will open a small menu or profile panel with options related to their board access and permissions. Inside this panel, you'll see the option that says Remove from Board. Click on Remove from Board. Trello will then ask you to confirm this action to make sure you really want to remove that person. Go ahead and click Remove to confirm. As soon as you confirm, that member will immediately lose access to the board. They will no longer be able to view cards, lists, or any board activity unless you invite them again in the future. After the member has been removed, you can close the Member List panel. Simply click outside the panel or use the Close option to return to your board view. That's it. The member has now been successfully removed from your Trello board. It's a good idea to periodically review who has access to your boards, especially if you're working with freelancers, temporary team members, or external collaborators. Keeping your board access up to date helps protect sensitive information and ensures only the right people can make changes. And that's how you remove a member from a Trello board step by step. Quick, simple, and secure. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Trello tips, project management tutorials, and productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.